Today, Natalia, Givet, and Paris GA will be making a blueberry pH indicator, strictly from blueberries and water.
The purpose of this lab is to find the pH of several substances using a blueberry pH indicator. We will create a pH indicator with crushed blueberries and 150 milliliters of water. We are using the following solutions: milk, which has a pH of 6, vinegar, which has a pH of 3, baking soda, which has a pH of 9, and lemon juice, which has a pH of 2. Once the blueberry juice has changed the color of the substance mildly or drastically, it will tell the acidity or basicity of it and determine if there was a color change or not.
First, we mash up 2 crates of blueberries in a container.
Next, we are going to add about 150 milliliters of water into the mixture. Now we are going to drain the mixture of the blueberries and the water into the measuring cup.
Here we are separating the blueberry from the blueberry liquid so that we can make our pH indicator.
We continue to mash the blueberries to make sure that we get out all of the aqueous solution. Here we have all of our solutions. We have milk. We also have vinegar, lemon juice, and baking soda. And here's our pH indicator made out of blueberries. First, I'm going to put some of the indicator into the milk. Next, I'm going to place some of the indicator into the vinegar. While paying attention to what color the solution changes after we place the indicator in it, next, Natalia places the blueberry indicator into the lemon juice. Next, Natalia places the pH indicator into the baking soda. Note that there are bubbles and a change of color, a sure sign of a chemical reaction, and also showing that this is in fact a base because of the color change.
The claim made in our lab demo is that our blueberry pH indicator will be able to showcase accurate levels of pH. The evidence that our experiment has showed us is that the milk is an acid and that there was no significant color change. And when we put our indicator into the vinegar, which is also an acid, there was also no significant color change. Next, we put our indicator with the lemon juice, which there was a very drastic color change, it changed pink. With only a very small amount of the blueberry juice added, the solution began to turn pink. As we added more, it turned a little bit more of a dense color. When we added our pH to the baking soda, which was a base, it turned a dark green and formed sort of a milky substance. There was also very noticeable bubbling when we were using the baking soda. In conclusion, the most acidic acid that we experimented with was the one to have the most color change, and the only base that we experimented with also showed a very significant color change. So in conclusion, our pH indicator was accurate and showcased the pH levels of the acids and the bases.